babes, good morning. I just got done doing my makeup and Bean is here with me, so everybody say hi to Bean. He likes to play with every single thing on my desk every morning. I actually have some teacher things to do today, and summer isn't over, but there are some things I have to do with my colleagues to get ready for the school year, so I am going to go have a couple meetings today. So I figured I'd take you guys with me because I wanted to make today just a really productive day, and that starts now. So it is 7:19 and I haven't made my bed yet, so I'm gonna do that. Okay guys, I'm home now from my meetings. I did make a little pit stop. What, Bean? Bean is a little attention whore. Come here. Gosh. Anyways, so I did stop at the thrift store on the way home just because I have a problem and I can't pass the thrift store and not like excessively think about it. Like I knew it was coming up to the right. I was like, oh, I gotta stop. So I did. I made it quick. I was in there for literally like 20 minutes. Oh my gosh, you're such a little noodle. So I actually kind of put myself behind a little bit. I put on my little to-do list, my productive to-do list that I wanted to lay out today. I just didn't really think, one, if I'd have enough time, two, that like takes a lot of energy out of me, and three, I need to go to the gym because I gave myself, oh my gosh, Bean, no. I gave myself like a 2-day little break. So yeah, Bean keeps trying to play with the camera. Please don't break my camera, sir. It's expensive. But yeah, I want to just try to spend a lot of time at home today because I need to build my second nightstand. Okay, let me show you what this first nightstand looks like. Excuse me. Here is the unbuilt nightstand, still ready to go. And then this is what the actual nightstand looks like. It is the typical Pinterest, Target nightstand vibe. I was gonna kind of splurge and get a super nice Urban Outfitters nightstand, but honestly, like that's still really cute. It is very spacious and honestly matches my desk. I'm sorry, my room is a hot mess right now. Got a lot of drawer space, and this one's gonna be for my boyfriend. So I just put some of his essentials in there because I'm really cute, girlfriend like that. And then mine's gonna go over there, obviously. So really cute nightstand. It's like gonna do what it needs to do. I think these were $55 each online, I believe. So yeah, I'm gonna do that today. And then I also have to, honestly, like, let me just get my phone. Let's see what we've got going on today. I really need a Celsius. I'm kind of tired, but it's fine. Okay, so not laying out, obviously, LOL. One thing I really want to do is go to the gym, and then I want to clean my kitchen area. I just need to kind of like wipe down the counters. That's not going to take very long. Bean, no. I also want to clean out some emails. So school is right around the corner, and if you guys are new here and don't know, I am a high school teacher, so I need to clean out some of those emails because I don't want a bunch of things from last year on there. That's just not the vibe. And then I got a new thing today from the thrift store. It's something I've been looking for a while. This is a brass gold Bean baby. I know you want to play with it, but please don't. This is a brass gold magazine holder. So these for some reason have been all over my Facebook marketplace for like $30, $80, like ridiculous prices. I really just like the way that these look. They're advertised as MCM, so mid-century modern, and I'm just like, who knows if it really is mid-century? I don't know, but I got this one for $5 from Red Racks, so we love that, and I thought it would look really cool with some of my vintage records, magazines, and books in there. Just like a cute little vibe. So love that. And then I also got this organizer from Amazon, so I'm going to open this and show you guys what it is. As much as I love my apartment, I just feel like there's not enough storage, and I easily like leave things out just because it's kind of a hassle to get things away. So I got one of those more like heavy duty organizers that you hang on the back of something, like one of those organizers that you put on the back of a door. You'll see what I'm talking about here in a second. So it is one of, oh my gosh, these little things. but it comes out and it has like something you put in the bottom, and it's supposed to store a lot. Like a lot of people in their reviews say that they use this for their nursery. So this is gonna hang on my door in my laundry room, and I will show you guys kind of just like what I put in it. And I'm really gonna utilize this for like extra towels, extra toilet paper, or I guess I could put Bean in it because as you guys can see, he already crawled in here. Love that. You're literally crazy. I promise I did not even have him do this on purpose. Like, are you joking? Anyways, yeah, so that is what this is for, and I'm going to go ahead and head to the gym and mark some things off my to-do list today. Okay guys, so I just got comfy and finished my, let me get that scrunchie off. I look like a 2012 Visco girl. But I just finished my smoothie and I got comfy. I did not shower yet. Maybe that makes me a little stinky, but I didn't want to shower until I get this freaking nightstand done. So I'm gonna throw on some MasterChef and then tackle this nightstand. Bean is gonna help me, aren't you, Bean? Crazy man. So I'm gonna build her right here, and then once it's done, she's gonna be given a vibe like this. Pop it over here, and then my room's really going to be getting almost complete. There's still things I need to do, like find a new home for my checkered rug. I need to move my LED light, but we're getting there. So let's go ahead and get this built. It is currently, what time is it? It is almost 6 o'clock, so hopefully we get this done before the sun starts going down. It really shouldn't take me that long since I've already done it once. Everything seems to be working perfect. All the drawers and everything. She looks good, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this into my room. I still need to work on everything that's going on over here, but I have the nightstand on my left side and then my nightstand, and yes, I did order new lamps. So I actually ordered 2 pink lamps. I was gonna get white lamps, but I really want my room to kind of just be like a reflection of my inner child. I'm like really trying to heal my inner child. So they look very much similar to this, but if not smaller, and they have the USB things on the side as well. Inside here, I just put like my basics, like my melatonin and Vaseline and my iPad and like literally whatever else I need before bed. I'm sure that will get a little more cluttered within the next few weeks. That was definitely one thing off my checklist, but the other, I now need to clean my living room. So we're gonna go ahead and do that.